Morning everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world. Something that's just non-stop constant here right now is cleaning the solar panels. Just a part of life now. Doesn't take a lot of snow to mess it up. Well, isn't that funny? Now I remember, why do we forget the little things? Now I remember why I keep that broom in the house all winter, or I did last year. It freezes. I can't get the handle to extend. It's locked up solid. It's froze up solid. So it's inside warming up. Anyway, it's been a while since I made a video, and the reason is I'm still working on security. It's what, 5 weeks now since I started on it. It is way more work than I had ever imagined it could be. But the idea is, I'm trying to think of appropriate words. Let's just say we got to care for ourselves around here and protect our own selves from anybody getting in. So it's a lot. I mean, just think about what it takes to make a absolute airtight security system that cannot be penetrated. I may make a video talking about the things not to do, because I'm learning a lot about security. I might even be able to be a security consultant when I'm done, if I can learn how to say the word. That'd be the first point in getting the job. But I am learning a lot, what to do and what not to do. I am learning about camera systems, how to defeat camera systems, different backup systems, and how they can be defeated. And I'm learning about alarms, how alarms can be defeated, backup systems for alarms, because we have a very large area here that needs to be protected, and there are so many ways to get in and out, even with fences up, that it is taking a lot longer than I had thought to finish this project. So I hope you guys bear with me. Winding down on that. Also, another thing that has taken a lot of my time, and it's snowing anyway, so I guess it wouldn't have made sense to do the panels. Something that's taking a lot of my time is there was more equipment damaged on this property than I had originally known. And basically it put a complete dead stop to my business. That was the end. There was no more. And for 3 weeks straight I got something in my eye. Sorry about that. For 3 weeks straight I was dead stopped. I had no business at all anymore. Nothing. Finished, gone, cut off. Everything I had was destroyed. Everything. Chainsaws and everything. I won't elaborate, won't go into much detail, but I am starting to rebuild, and that was hard. And I bought myself what I call a little baby Ryobi chainsaw. It's a homeowner's chainsaw that was like brand new, and a little piece was broke off, so I got it for next to nothing, which was good for me. And then with that I was able to start rebuilding my business and getting back on my feet again. And it was a really hard time for a while there. And I was nonstop in the woods with this little baby chainsaw. Let me block that light. I was just nonstop out in the woods with this little baby chainsaw. It has its limitations. I can cut, smaller stuff, and I can fell a big tree slowly, but I can't process that big tree. So I'm working myself back up, getting back on my feet again, and getting back up to where I can get a real man's chainsaw again. So that will take some more time, which further reduces and limits my ability to carry on properly. But I do still intend on doing Country Wood Products YouTube channel. I just didn't have anything to show you. I mean, what am I going to do? Stand here and talk about firewood on a firewood pile, but I can't do anything or show me doing anything with it. It was just sitting there. There was nothing I could do. So we'll be back into that. I got some cool product reviews I'm going to work on, because I do have like a moisture meter that I love very much that I use heavily out here. Actually, I love my little Ryobi. It is not a high-powered saw, but is ultra light and ultra fun to use. I am loving this little chainsaw. And just yesterday I bought another baby chainsaw, heavier though, a little Sears Craftsman. The Ryobi's 38cc, the Craftsman's 38cc, but the Craftsman is 50% heavier than the little Ryobi. It doesn't make sense. I don't know why, but we'll see how they work out. But I'm going to keep them around for limb work, small work, reprocessing on the homestead, and out in the woods over here, jack pine. They're going to be great for jack pines. But I'll be sharing all that with you as we go. Anyway, I'm getting back on my feet again, reducing the amount of security work I'm doing and starting to increase the amount of firewood processing and helping people out there with trees that need to be cut and processed. And well, here we are. Let's see if I can get back to making daily videos again. I am working on the battery packs. I will be finishing. I'm going to show how to salvage lithium-ion battery cells from the packs. And this is just an example. I have two different packs that I can share with you, and it's an example of many, but it'll give you an idea how you can salvage cells to make battery packs, and how I take shortcuts using what's available in the pack to reduce the amount of work I have to do to make a good off-grid solar-powered battery system to hook my solar panels onto. Because I've got plenty of solar. 1800 watts is really a nice amount of solar. But you need a lot more battery storage. That is going to be the most expensive and largest part of your system, is the battery storage. Because when the sun is shining, 1800 watts is continuous on a good sunny day, even in winter. But those batteries can only take so much. And when they're full, that's it. The rest is waste. And when we're on cloudy and dark days like this, you need that backup power. Otherwise, it's useless. So I'm going to be expanding my battery packs using lithium ions. I'm going to have to worry about how to keep them warm, because cold is not good for them. You're not supposed to be charging them in the cold. They're more sensitive to the cold than lead acid, especially the sub-temperatures we're going to have, the -0 temperatures, negative temperatures, Fahrenheit. And I'm going to be then assembling the battery packs into, there's that rabbit. The little monster's been torturing my dog. I'm going to be assembling the battery packs into battery banks for solar panel use, and I'll be sharing all that with you, how I'm going to do it. So a lot more to come on stuff like that. Like as I had promised before, here we are. Let's get this video up to you, and let's get back to work.